clear, pleasant melody is heard. Its sound gently touches the heart, together with the conchon, get a bong a flute, the drums play in a live room. Touches the heart, together with the conchon, ketipong and flute.